Hi, today I would like to unbox a new device, a new development board or expansion board. So basically, I bought this board as an expansion board for my Arduino MKR 1310. So let's look at the MKR 1310 first. So this is a MKR series. It has a LoRa connectivity. So let's look at the board. So this is the MKR 1310 board. It's a LoRa connectivity board. Okay, and it's the LoRa connectivity. Yep. And behind here we have the spec. Let me bring it closer. So this is a connectivity. It's LoRa. The chip is ATSA-MD21. The clock is 48 megahertz. The memory is 256 kilobyte for the flash, and 32 kilobyte for the SRAM. So it has USB, SPI, I2C, I2S, and UART. So it has two voltage. The input voltage is 5 volt and the operating voltage is 3.3 volt. The pinout, you have 24 digital pin, 12 PWM pins, and 7/1 analog. Right? So this is the actual device, how it look like. So let me bring it closer. Yeah, so this is the actual device, how it look like. So it has a onboard for battery connectivity, and also you have a stemma QT or maker port connectivity, and this is for the USB. Right. So this is the device. So let us put aside this one, and let me unbox this one. So this one I bought it from 11/14, so it arrived quite fast. So later I'll share the link in the description. So if you are interested to buy, then you can just follow the link. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is the actual device. So it's a MKR connectivity carrier board, MKR development. So let's open this. So this is the Arduino MKR Connector Carrier board. Okay, so as usual, you have some interfaces here. So this one support for I2C and UART. So the input voltage now increases. Okay, now it can this board can not increase. It can support actually to 7 to 16 volt input, and it is operating at 5 volt, and pinout is the pinout is 7 digital, 4 PWM, and 7 EEPROM pins. So this is compatible with the MKR board. So let us see. So this is the board, okay, for MKR connector. So at the back here you have all the pinout label. Okay, so I think I can just plug it here. So just make sure we are connecting it to the correct. So if I bring it closer side by side, so you can see almost the pinout label are similar, right? So you have the AREF, the C0, A0, A1 reset pin and everything. Okay, so this one can be straight away plug in, so it's compatible. Yep. So we can just like press. So you can see on the side also here. So they are the same actually. So that indicates that we connected properly. So this is I bought it for one of my project currently I'm working on. So I'm just like making this video for the just to show, just to demonstrate to introduce the MKR connector carrier board. So by using this board will be much more easier for interface. So this one is using the groove port. So the normal groove, which is famous, almost the seed by Seed Studio. So usually most of this is for the groove. So I'll be using one of the sensor from the seed also for this. So I'll update the progress or the work on the project in the upcoming video. So thank you for watching this video. So this is just to introduce the MKR Connector Carrier board. So later on when I power it up and try to program it and use it, so I'll make more video on this. Alright, thank you for watching. Thank you and bye-bye.